Oh hey, didn't see you there. Welcome back to day 4 of 12 days of beauty. I always wonder like how do people vlog. I mean, some people vlog every day and then post every day, but we're gonna do it. We're doing it. I couldn't go this year without highlighting these hair paint colors. Like, these were literally transformable. So we have the bold gold from ORS, and then curls on leech we have Mystique. So bold gold and Mystique, two different brands. I have a video showing the gold one, but I did not record the purple one, but I do have a reel on my Instagram, so go follow me, shameless plug, on Instagram to check out the purple hair. But the bold gold, it was giving me life. I liked how it was kind of rustic looking, and if I didn't want my dark hair, then I know I can easily add some color. I'm going to insert some photos. I actually have videos, and I actually have a video comparing the two. I love how these are all full circle moments. These are things that I've used this year that I will continue to use. I'm considering purchasing additional colors. I don't know which brand yet, but I know that I will be purchasing additional colors of these two. I want to know, leave a comment down below. Have you tried either of these brands? Have you tried hair color in general, temporary spray? Do you like it? Do you love it? I like to do these, or you got these. I like to do these, or I like to do a wig if I want to change up my color. Back in the day, years ago, I did dye my hair like a gold. We all into that gold phase, and clearly wasn't done in a way for curly hair, and at the time I wasn't necessarily rocking curly hair like I do now. And so I'm sure if I did it again, there would be some things different, but I just like to keep the pure integrity of my hair. All that being said, today was day 4, and we talked about the hair colors, temporary hair colors. And so then we have day 5 tomorrow, and we're going to be talking about skincare. Make sure you stay tuned, subscribe so you can come along with the 12 days of beauty. If you're just joining, I'm doing these videos instead of like a vlogmas because I don't really vlog, but I wanted to highlight some of my favorite beauty products that I used this year in 2021 to do a 12 days of beauty. And then on the 12th day, which will be Christmas Day, we are going to be doing a giveaway. So make sure you're subscribed. You don't want to miss it. I'll see you tomorrow. Toodles.